So today we're going to start Chapter 8, Lesson 8.1. We're going to talk about volume of cylinders. And I'm going to start out with a real life example. Let's say you are looking at these two cans of soup. Okay. As you can see, one of them is taller than the other, but one of them is wider, or the diameter, okay, of this can is more than the diameter of this can. So we're comparing two cans. I want to see which one has the greater volume, which one can fit more inside. So let's see which is the better buy. Pretend these cost the same amount of money. Which one are you actually getting the better buy? Now, I know some of you might be saying, why don't you just look at the label? But we're not going to do that because I'm trying to make an example. So again, this one has more height, and this one has more width. So let's see which of the cans is the better buy by finding the volume of the two cylinders. Okay. So if you go to page 336 of your textbook, you're going to see they give you the key idea volume of a cylinder, and this is what it tells you. Okay. Now, you're probably wondering what the heck is B, or Big B we call it. I don't know if you remember this from last year, but Big B, okay, is just a way of saying area of the base. Okay, so in volume formulas, which we're going to use, sometimes they just give you that big letter B. What you need to know is that big B symbolizes area of the base. Again, this tells you all of this in your notes on page 336. So this is the area of the base. Oops, the base. Okay, so what is the area of the base? Well, the base is a circle. What did we do yesterday? We learned about area of a circle. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to write a better formula for you that's easier to use. Instead of big BH, I'm going to write out pi. Okay, there's big B, pi times the radius squared, area of the base is a circle, times the height. This is going to be real easy today. All you're going to do is plug in numbers into the formula, make sure you round to the right decimal place. Okay, so let's look at our examples here. So I measured this before, and I found that the bullion, okay, the one that was wider and shorter, had a diameter of 6 inches. And so I'm going to write down 3 inches for the radius. And the height was 4 inches. Okay. The taller container had a diameter of 4 inches. So I'm going to put that the radius is 2 inches and the height was 9 inches. Okay, now obviously the cans are really not 9 inches and 2 inches. I'm using an example from the book, but think about it. Just trying to help. All right, so here we go. Watch how easy this is. You will not have any problems with this, trust me. You're just going to simply write the formula. You're going to write volume equals pi times radius squared times height. Real easy. Ready? Pi, 3.14. We want to round it. Okay, make it easier for ourselves. Just over a little. Okay. You're going to do pi times radius, 2 squared, times height. That's it. Easy enough. 3.14 times 4, 2 squared is 4, times 9. 3.14 times 36 is 113.04. I believe, unless they tell you to round to the tenths, I would leave the answer like that. Okay, that is rounded. Remember, we're approximating here because pi is irrational. Okay, now, how do you write the answer? Because we're talking about volume, we are talking about cubic. So you're going to write inches cubed. Okay, cubic meaning three-dimensional shape. That's how you indicate your answer with 3 dimensions. Okay, now we got the next one. Real easy. If you want to try it, pause the video, try it, and then come back and check. Otherwise, I'm going to do 3.14 times 3 squared times, did I say the height was on this one? 4? Yeah, I think so. 4. And you're just going to do 3.14 times 3 times 3 is 9 times 4 is 36. Uh-oh. I think something's going to happen here. 3.14 times 36, same thing. Oh, interesting. They have the same volume. So although the two cans had different diameters and different heights, they actually are the same size can, and that's why they cost the same amount of money. Okay, so if you got that, I'm going to let you stop here. If you need another example, I will do another video with another example. I'll do number 1 on the classwork. Okay, so if you want to stop here and try some yourself, remember you can always reset if you have any problems. Okay, thanks for watching.